like to greet our guests today, among all of you, of course. The consul of the city of Annapolis, welcome once again. And also, our guests from Chicago, from Cook County, Maria Popa of the Church of Cook County.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So, you know, we're living in a very, very difficult time in the United States and all over the world. It's a very difficult time in human history. But what makes it better are the institutions that stand strong, our churches and our monasteries, because the rest of us, our families, our friends, our ancestors will come and go. And on behalf of the city of Chicago, the county of Cook, and the state of Illinois, we are presenting to Bishop Logan a certificate of appreciation, not only for the work that he has done here locally, but for everything that he has done in the Midwest, and everyone who has been able to inspire both in this church and in the ministry. May God be with you, may God bless you, and you have many, many years of life, not only from the government, but from all the great Orthodox from all over the world. Thank you.